Hello my loves, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this easy mohawk style updo. So we'll begin by selecting our top, creating a triangle round shape and clip it away for later. Then you want to select another section behind our ears like I'm showing and smoothing it out with a comb. You want to make with it a ponytail. Then grabbing the rest of our hair, we want to make our second ponytail. Now we want to make with these two ponytails two row braids. We divide our ponytail into two equal sections, twist them one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So now we want to tug on the edge of the braid to make it voluminous looking and continue until reaching the ends. Now you want to grab a clear elastic and tie the ends, but on last time make sure to pull it only halfway through like I'm showing. And repeat with a second ponytail as well. Now grabbing first ponytail, you want to twist it, creating a snake shape like I'm showing here and pin it in place. Now we want to continue our snake shape of the bun with a second braid. Twist it and bring it upwards like I'm showing, pin it in place. Then, releasing our top section, we want to tease a little bit the roots for more volume, and then divide it into two equal sections and make a row braid as well. Tug on the edge of the braid, tie the ends like we did with our ponytails. Now you want to incorporate our braid into our bun. You want to pin it in place, use hairspray if you need, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. And guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Also guys, tell me please in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like me more to make. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.